In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo accidental changes in Jira. If you've ever moved too quickly during backlog refinement or a daily stand-up and changed something by mistake, you're definitely not alone. Maybe you dragged a ticket into the wrong column, updated a status accidentally, or overwrote part of a description you still needed. The good news is that Jira gives you a few built-in ways to recover those changes. And once you know where to look, the process is very manageable. The first thing to know is that if the mistake just happened, you need to react quickly. Right after you move an issue card or make a change on the board, look toward the bottom left area of the screen. Jira often shows a small dark notification pop up there. Inside that pop-up, you'll usually see an undo link. Click that within a few seconds, ideally before it disappears. If you catch it in time, Jira will immediately reverse your last action and place the card or item back where it was. If that pop-up is already gone, don't worry. You can still fix a status change manually. Open the issue you want to correct, then look near the upper left area of the issue panel for the current status. Click the status dropdown, find the original status the issue should be in, such as in progress, and select it. This is the fastest way to restore a ticket that was moved into the wrong workflow stage. If the problem involves edited text or changed field values, open the same issue and scroll down until you find the section with tabs like comments and history. Select history to review the issue's changelog. This is where Jira records what was changed, when it happened, and what the old value was compared with the new one. Find the relevant entry, identify the original text or field value, and copy it if needed. Then paste that information back into the appropriate field and save your changes. There's also a quicker option when you only need to inspect the history of one field, especially the description field. Hover over the description area and look for the small history icon near the edit controls. Click it to open a focused view of that field's past changes without digging through the full issue history. This can save a lot of time when you're dealing with long, heavily edited content. Before you finish, take a moment to do a quick validation check. Make sure the issue is back in the correct column, confirm the restored text looks right, and verify that any important values like estimates or assignments still match what your team expects. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.